ready to amplify your voice and connect with a wider audience. Let's dive into creating your very own Telegram channel. First things first, fire up your Telegram app on your phone or tablet. See that new message icon, usually in the bottom right corner. Tap it. A menu will pop up, and you're going to select New Channel. Now, it's time to give your channel a catchy name that reflects its content. Then, add a brief description to tell people what your channel is all about. Think of it as your channel's elevator pitch. Next up, you'll choose whether your channel is public or private. A public channel can be found by anyone on Telegram, while a private channel requires an invite link. Consider who you want to reach and select accordingly. If you chose public, you'll need to create a unique link for your channel. Pick something easy to remember and share. Awesome! Now it's time to add your first subscribers. You can select contacts from your address book to invite them to join your brand new channel. Congratulations! Your Telegram channel is officially live. Start sharing engaging content and watch your community grow. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags like #Telegram tips and #channel creation to reach an even wider audience. Good luck!